So what is ICA? ICA is a product data intelligence platform. This is a new category in product data. So we lie one level below a PIM, and most of the work that we work on is the data is not of a good quality. In other words, you don't necessarily have the full supplier catalogs to bring into the PIM system that enhances the quality. So we leverage AI and ML to enhance the quality and consistency of product data, and it's normally bad product data. And we automate the tasks like data cleansing, enrichment, comparison, and helping business to efficiently manage large volumes of data across industry. We normally do not touch sort of industries outside MRO. So the problem globally is that there's so much more information, product data being created on a daily basis, and it's within silos within organizations. But really, with this amount of data being created, there's obviously it's unclean, it's unenriched, and it's poorly maintained, and it has influence on supply chain, procurement, finance, and other business functions. So it is absolutely the foundational part of product data. Cost and time accuracy. Most people do it manually. If they use Excel, they call that automated. With our AI on projects, we now can do 80%, depending on the quality of the data itself, 80% cleansing and enrichment. And we've got a team of subject matter or catalogers. So we can now do 100%. In the past, we would have said, okay, we'll do cleansing of 80%, and we would use catalogers to do the rest. Now it is a 100% solution. So the problem from an international perspective on large corporates is if you've got multi facilities across the world, you sit with data consistencies and quality and integration and language, all those type of things become a challenge. So what's the difference with us? We're 80% more accurate than Gen AI models because you can go to ChatGPT and you can go to Grok and you can go to DeepSeek and all these and Perplexity. Their data is not narrowly trained. We've narrowly trained, so we're very specific on product data.